Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a decked out 2023 Can-Am Defender Max Limited. We've installed a bunch of accessories on here. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. We're going to start off with the 15-inch Can-Am OEM light bar. We absolutely love their light bars, very good quality and super bright. There's a lot of cheap junk out there, but OEM's the way to go on these light bars. 38-inch light bar up top as well. We've also got the recessed pods on the upper roof rack and the rear pods as well. We also have the sport fender flares. The OEM side view mirrors. That is the Can-Am roof rack as well. We do have heated seats in all the seats. All of the storage boxes and containers under every seat. Backup camera in the rear view mirror. 4-speaker sound system. Ryco Street Legal Kit. Let's flip some switches. Let's turn some stuff on, shall we? Bars, lights, hazards. All of the storage boxes in the rear as well. Very nice, very nice. Ryco Street Legal Kit ties into the tail lights in the back. License plate mounts included. This baby is ready for the outdoors. Hunting, camping. The Defender Limited, what's it known for? Heat, AC, power windows, filters the air before it comes in the cab. All the good stuff. Suspension's great, power's great, fun for the family. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Happy to help you any way we can. Everything Can-Am, we got you covered. You need a Defender Limited, give us a call. Have a great day, everybody. Nah, you'll be fine. Plenty good. Good. That's one sweet machine.